Alright guys, today we're doing a review of this Genuine Health Enhanced Hydration Lemon Raspberry Lemonade. So, if you guys want to read it, pause the video there. There's the ingredients, and let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what it looks like, and we're taking some right here. Put it into my cup. And fill up some water. Okay, let's see how this mixes. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's pretty tasty. It's a very mild flavor, so it's not strong like acidic like lemon is. It's a really good raspberry flavor. All right, definitely check it out, guys. Any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.